Crazy, man. I never thought it looked like this. All this stuff was up and running. Wow. Damn, Dayton got hit hard over here. Mm-mm-mm.